Hello friends, welcome to Global Tech Learn. In this video, we will practice Microsoft Power BI PL300 exam question related to calculate value for latest transactions. And the question is your company has affiliates who help the company acquire customers. You build a report for the affiliate managers at the company to assist them in understanding affiliate performance. The managers request a visual showing the total sales value of the latest 50 transactions of each affiliate. You have a data model that contains the tables, and under tables we can see we have two tables, transactions and affiliate, and under transactions we have columns transaction date, items ordered, amount, transaction ID and affiliate ID, and under affiliate table we have affiliate ID and name. You need to develop a measure to support the visual. How should you complete the DAX expression? And on the right side under answer area we can see we have one DAX expression to calculate the measure, and the measure name is revenue last 50 transactions. And under options we have various DAX functions that we need to select. So let's understand the measure requirement, and then we will try to create this measure in Power BI desktop. So in the measure requirement is we need to get the latest 50 transactions for the affiliate. So in transaction table we can see we have transaction date. Based on that we can filter the latest 50 transactions where we can sum the amount value against the affiliate ID. So this will return revenue from the last 50 transactions. So let's try this in Power BI desktop. So here in Power BI desktop we have two tables, affiliate, under that we have list of affiliates, and then we have transactions, under that we have transaction date, items ordered in each transaction, then amount of the transaction, then transaction ID and affiliate ID. Now let's first get what is the total revenue for each affiliate. So for that let's add one matrix, and let's add affiliate name and transaction amount. Now here we can see the total revenue for each affiliate. Now let's try to create measure as per the given case. So for that let's go to the new measure, and here the measure name should be revenue last 50 transactions. Then we have to use calculate as we want to do some calculation, and under calculate we need to use the sumx function as we need sum of the sales amount. Then under sumx we need to use the top n function, and under top n function we need latest 50 transactions. So let's provide the 50 as a value. Then this calculation should happen in transactions table. Then the data should be ordered by the transaction date. So let's provide the date, and the ordering should be descending order. So let's select that. Then thereafter we need transaction amount. So let's select that. So let's commit this. Now here we can see revenue last 50 transactions. Now let's add one more matrix, and on this matrix let's again add the affiliate name, and this time we can select revenue last 50 transactions. And let me zoom in. Now here we can see for first affiliate add stream connect, the total revenue is the 15,68,400. Out of that, top 50 transaction has 4,06,573 revenue. And similarly we have values for other affiliates. So with this we are able to achieve the requirement. Now let's quickly look at the expression once again, and under measure expression we have used calculate, sumx, and then top n, and finally we did sum on the transaction amount. So now let's go back to our question, and here calculate, sumx, top n and transaction date are the correct answers.